Artoonza.
Future Picassos, get ready to sail the seas of creativity as we turn the word boat into an actual boat drawing. Grab your markers, paints, and maybe even a touch of nail polish. Please don't tell my mom. Anchors away. It's time for an artistic adventure so fun that even your bath toys will want to ride. Give us your like. Let's make a splash with colors and creativity. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together.
Aw, so cute.
Wow!
Give us a big thumbs up. Ready to splash some color. Red. Let's color together. Blue.
Wow!
Snowy white. Brown. Green. Orange. Purple. Yellow.
Wow!
Yellow nail polish.
Aw, so cute.
Black glitter nail polish. Shh. Never tell my mom. Color, color, color. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. This is so amazing. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.